3 bedrooms, 1 level with a great meadow view and gorgeous Saddle Lake Farms. Colleen and David Black, Keller Williams Realty. Call on Colleen.
This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday morning, the 11th of November. James Spann here. Rain is gone after a tremendous soaking yesterday, and we're promising dry weather in the days ahead. Let's take a look. First off, the Demopolis Sky Cam in Marengo County. That was the heaviest rain amount we've seen on the network yesterday, 6.05 inches from that big storm that dropped so much rain on the state yesterday. There's the Inverness Sky Cam overlooking Highway 280. That site picked up about 3 inches, and from Decatur up in Morgan County, overlooking the Tennessee River. Well, what's the big low that used to be Ida is moving away from us. The upper part of it is over North Georgia. The surface part of it is over the Florida Panhandle. In fact, there's a look at the surface chart this morning, and the lowest pressure is near Tallahassee. Of course, all of the rain is well removed from that now that it's not a tropical system anymore. And again, you see a northerly flow across our state, and we'll have a pretty breezy day today. There's the rain with this system, and rain is falling mainly over the Carolinas and Virginia, up toward Maryland. An awfully wet day for Washington and Baltimore, Raleigh, Richmond. That's the rain we had yesterday, so they get to enjoy it today. But for us, it's pretty much over. And the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday evening at 6 o'clock. A bullseye of 10 inches on the North Carolina coast. And of course, you'll see some over East Alabama, but understand this started at 6 o'clock last night, so that's the rain we had last night. We should be dry through the weekend. Here's the 06 ZGFS at noon today. The polar jet is up north, so no really harshly cold air here. We'll have chilly nights, but comfortable afternoons. The trough is on to the east, and accordingly, should be a pretty decent day. Now, having said that, the eastern side, the clearing might be very slow. In fact, some of the counties or communities along US 431 or points east could be cloudy all day, and that's Anniston, Gadsden, Roanoke, places like that. But for central and west Alabama, the sky should be mostly sunny today and breezy. Tomorrow, surface low just kind of hanging around the coastal waters off the Carolinas, but we should have a nice day, bright sunshine with high in the mid-60s. Friday, again, beautiful. Be up around 70, a great night for the high school football playoff games. And Saturday, starting off the weekend, picture-perfect day. We'll start the day in the 40s, wind up in the low and mid-70s, great for football. And Sunday still looks fine, but we've got a front off to the northwest, and let's see what this run does with it. Monday of next week. Well, you know, the one I showed you yesterday afternoon had that trough over New England. Well, now the bulk of it is still west of us. We're in a southwest flow aloft on Monday, and that looks like the model is trying to hold the main rain back off to the west over Mississippi, Tennessee, Arkansas. Again, we're just going to leave a chance of showers in the forecast on Monday and fine-tune this thing as we get closer. And really, this run is a lot slower. There's Monday night, the showers are in here, and Tuesday, they're still hanging around, Tuesday morning at least. So if this is right, you think we might see some showers lingering through Tuesday. Again, we'll discount that for now and fine-tune that later. And by Wednesday of next week, a week from today, that rain is gone. Let's go out there later in the month. This is November 24th, and by golly, our big trough is still there. Ridge pumping up over the west, big trough over the east, very high amplitude, and down below that, very cold air floods the east, and this would suggest a pretty good rain event, then a sharp change to colder weather. And we've seen this pretty consistently. It still could vanish, but the idea's on the table. And the end of the forecast a couple of days later looks like a great day if that's right on November 26th, but we all know what this is, pure voodoo. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us in Birmingham, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Each day there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.